Hey everyone, in this video we'll be talking about finding free wood and some amazing projects you can make with it. Wood can be expensive, but there are several options available for those who are on a budget. Let's dive in. Finding free wood. Shipping pallets. Many businesses receive products on pallets, and they often give them away for free. Check with local stores, warehouses, and online classifieds. Salvage yards. Check with local salvage yards, they often have scrap wood from old buildings and structures that can be used for projects. Fallen trees. Keep an eye out for fallen trees in your neighborhood, and ask for permission from the owner to take it for woodworking projects. Projects you can make with free wood. Shelves. Make simple shelves for your home or workspace with pallet wood. Garden bed. Build a raised garden bed for your plants with scrap wood from a salvage yard. Birdhouse. Create a cozy birdhouse with pieces of fallen tree. Coffee table. Use shipping pallets to make a unique coffee table with storage. That's it for today's video on finding free wood and projects you can make with it. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments which project you'll be making first. Thanks for watching.